Good morning, everyone. It's about 5:30 in the morning. It's 17 degrees. Wind chill says it makes it feel like it's 2. It is brutally cold. I got one of my favorite recipes, a pork roast in the oven right now. I'll put the recipe down below, but guys, this will feed us today and tomorrow. Ooh-wee. Day 2, my friends. It's 11 degrees with a -7 wind chill. We did get some wintry precipitation last night. You can see there's a little bit of white on the ground. I don't know if that's sleet or snow, but it is brutally, brutally cold. 11 degrees, -7 wind chill. Well, we are still 11 degrees. Taking care of the chickens this morning. If you want to know how cold it is here and how cold it's been, let me show you. This is our pool. It's doing exactly what it did in 2021. Woo-wee. It's snowing, but it's light snow. I don't anticipate it being an issue. But I think my greens have had it up here. Everything's pretty solid frozen. We've had probably about 36 hours, guys, of below freezing, and it's showing. These carrot tops don't look so good, guys. But we'll wait and see. We still got 48 hours left of these freezing temps. Seed starts look to be okay. And now for the grand finale. You can see, yep, nothing left, kids, nothing left, but we expected it. But we're gonna keep on trying, guys, because you never know when we might have that perfect year where we don't get wild temperature swings. Oh my goodness. Even the beet tops are going to have to be cut back. Yeah. Going to be a lot of cleanup to be done in here. So I wanted to give you guys an update. Show you what it's looking like out here. Farming and gardening are not for the faint of heart, is it? But we got to keep trying. We got to keep trying, guys. And like I said, the reason why is because we never know. The year that we don't plant something to try will be the perfect year that something would have happened. So we're going to keep on trying. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of cleanup in here. A lot of this stuff's going to have to come up. We'll cut these beet greens back because the beets should be fine in the ground. Onions look like they're okay over there. Carrot tops over there look a little haggard. Oh me, I guess we'll see when things start to fall, but not for another 48 hours. We're still getting some flurries out there. Unbelievable cold, guys. So today we'll be laying low and just sitting and watching TV. There's not much more we can do. We'll have to go out, swap out the chickens' water every couple of hours and make sure that they have water. We've put plenty of cracked corn in there with them. We're not letting them out of their pen. It's just too cold with a -7 degree wind chill. It's atrocious. It's cold in the house. ERCOT is threatening, or not threatening, they're asking us to conserve, but they're saying it's not an emergency conserve, but they're saying between now or between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. or something to conserve. It's bitter cold for Texas, bitter cold. So, getting ready for spring garden. We will be getting ready for spring garden. You can see our seed starts are doing pretty good out there. And we'll have little plants before too long that we'll transplant into 3-inch pots. And we are in the middle of January. It won't be long before we'll be in the middle of March, when a lot of people are going to start considering to plant, like your peas and stuff like that, cool weather varieties. I don't know how my cauliflower is doing. It's still under plastic out there. I'll let you know whenever I can get out there and get it uncovered, but I'm not going to bother it right now. But yeah, so this is what it looks like in Texas today on January the 15th, 2024. Love you all. Stay warm, be careful, and we'll keep you updated. See you soon.